Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel guys. In today's video, we're going to be walking you through how to change your delivery location on Grubhub as a delivery driver, okay? So if you've recently just moved or just want to work in a different area, here's how you can actually update your location settings on Grubhub to get orders from your preferred region, guys. So first things first, you want to start by opening the Grubhub for Drivers app. Make sure guys you're logged in with your driver's account credentials, okay? Make sure you're logged in, and once you're on the main menu, guys, you want to head over to your account or profile settings. You'll find this by tapping on the profile icon or by, navigating to the settings menu, which is usually located at the top corner of the screen, okay? So then you just want to access profile settings. Now, in the settings menu, okay, you want to look for an option that says delivery region, okay? Delivery region or region preferences. Depending on the app version, you might see an option to request a region change. Just tap on it to proceed. So what's going to happen, guys, is that Grubhub may prompt you to select your new preferred delivery region. Just pick the area where you'd like to deliver, ensuring that it's actually a supported region by Grubhub. And if you don't see your preferred region listed, you might need to contact Grubhub support to actually inquire. So after selecting your new delivery region, guys, okay, you want to submit your request. Basically, that's what you need to do. And Grubhub may take some time to process and approve your region change. So be prepared to wait for the confirmation. And in the meantime, guys, you can still receive orders in your current location. And once approved, guys, you actually receive a notification or email confirming the update. And when you open your app again, guys, you should start seeing orders from your new delivery region, guys. And that's it, guys. You are now all set to start delivering in your new preferred location with Grubhub. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.